Today I am going to discuss about India and adjacent countries. Okay, in this section we will discuss about India and her neighboring countries. Okay, uh, India has a strategical location and India located in the southern part of Asia continent. Okay, and India also uh, shares land boundaries with some countries like in the northwestern part of India, Pakistan and Afghanistan, and in the north mainly China, Tibet located in the China, and Nepal, Bhutan. Okay, and in the eastern part of India, India shares land boundaries with Myanmar and Bangladesh. And in the southern part of India, two major islands countries, mainly Sri Lanka and Maldives. Sri Lanka separated from India from the a narrow channel named is Gulf of Mannar and Pork Strait. Okay, India and Sri Lanka divided, and Pork Strait is situated or located in between Sri Lanka and India. And in the southern part and south of the Lakshadweep, situated in and neighbor a country name is Maldives. Okay, which is situated in the south of the Lakshadweep. Okay, these are the major neighboring countries of India, and India had strategic location. Okay, so we can revise it. Okay, topic India's neighbors. India occupies an important strategic positions in the South Asia. India has 28 states and 9 union territories. Okay, India shares its land boundaries with Pakistan and Afghanistan in the northwest. Okay, Pakistan and Afghanistan with northwest. Okay, north and west, and in this area also known as northwest. Okay. Next, China, Tibet, Nepal, and Bhutan in the north. In the north, China, mainly Tibet, Nepal, and Bhutan. Okay, and uh, in the north, and Myanmar and Bangladesh in the east. In the east, India shares land boundary shares with in the Myanmar and Bangladesh in the east. Okay, and uh, our southern neighbors across the sea consist of two island countries, namely Sri Lanka and Maldives. Sri Lanka is separated from India by the narrow channel. Sri Lanka separated by India by the narrow channel, and this area also known as Gulf of Mannar, and here Pop Strait divided two landmarks. Okay, Pop Strait. Pop Strait very important for map pointing questions is Strait and Gulf of Mannar. Okay, and uh, Sri Lanka is separated from India by the narrow channel of sea formed by the Pok Strait and the Gulf of Mannar, while Maldives Island are situated in the south of the Lakshadweep. Okay, south of the Lakshadweep, Maldives are situated. These are the southern neighboring countries in India. Islands group of countries, mainly Sri Lanka and Maldives. Okay. India has had strong geographical and historical links with our neighbors. India has a strong geographical and historical relations with neighboring countries. Okay, so in India, mainly shares with land boundaries with like Pakistan, Afghanistan in the northwestern part, Tibet, China, Nepal, and Bhutan in the northern part. Yes, and in the eastern part of India, Myanmar and Bangladesh. Okay, India shares with border with Bangladesh and Myanmar, and southern part of India, or southern part of India, two major from the neighboring countries, Sri Lanka and Maldives. Okay, Sri Lanka separated from a narrow channel like Pop Strait, yes, and Gulf of Mannar, and Maldives situated in the west of south of the Lakshadweep island, groups of island. Okay, so I think you have got sufficient knowledge about it. So thank you so much.